Hey, welcome back. Today we are going to replace the battery in the TPMS sensor. These wheels came off my 2016 R1200RT. So before we get started, I want to remind you that these videos are sponsored by Pacific Motorcycle Tours. So please come check out pacmototours.com and see the great motorcycle tours that we offer. Okay, also, please, if you enjoy these videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And of course, if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up as well. So, hey, and as you can see, I'm in the kitchen this time. My wife is out of the house, so I thought I could sneak in here and do this. It's about 100 degrees outside, so it's a little nicer in here. I even put down a nice old towel to help protect the countertop. So shh, don't tell anybody we're doing this inside. Start by, this is a T40. And we'll take off the TPMS sensor on the front. All right, and there we go on the front. Okay, we got the tire pressure monitor sensors off of the wheels. I've got them right here, so they're both here. I managed to scrape out all of the epoxy, pull the batteries out of it. I'll get up close to give you a close-up in a second, but the problem is it gets all mucked up in there, and it was really difficult to break the solder on the battery. So I decided, instead of reusing these and using the new batteries that I bought, instead I've decided to put in some new tire pressure monitor sensors. I felt like that was a better alternative. Let me give you a close-up on what I'm talking about with these that I worked on. So here we are. You can see I got the batteries cut out, the epoxy cut out, the batteries removed. The problem was that both of these leads and the one down here are soldered to the battery. And once I got the batteries out, got new batteries, I really couldn't find a way to get the leads soldered back to the battery, especially this bottom one, and then put all back together. So we're going to use new tire pressure monitor sensors. So I got some new tire pressure monitor sensors. I ordered myself as well a learning tool, because you have to activate the tire pressure monitor sensors. Of course, you need a GS911 in order to make sure and learn in both the front and rear tire pressure monitor sensor. So let's go get that done. Okay, the GS911 is connected to the bike. I'm going to go, got the software launched. I'm going to go select my motorcycle first. So R1200RT. That's a GS RT right there. Ask me to switch the engine on. All right, we're going to select the tire pressure monitor, service functions, learn tire pressure sensor, run function. Okay, so this is going to be for the front, saying learn sensor. So I've got my brand new one right here. So we'll call this the front learn sensor, and I'm going to take this and activate it. Okay, it says service function completed successfully. So that's good. I will set aside this front one. So here's the one I'm going to use for the rear. Let's go run function. I'm going to change this to the rear. Rear, learn sensor, take my device, activate it. Function successfully completed. If you go here back to run function, you can actually see I've got there we go, front tire and rear tire ID. So those are the new IDs on my new sensors. Okay, now we just get to install these on the wheel. Okay, we learned in this new tire pressure monitor. I made sure I've got the right one for the rear wheel. And we will get this sucker set in there very, okay. I'm going to put a dab of blue Loctite on here. T30 screw. This is torqued in at 6 Newton meters, which is not much. It's barely just hand tight. There we go, 6 Newton meters. That was done. Let's go do the front. All right, here we have the front. So same process. We'll put that in there. I'm going to put a drop of blue Loctite on here. Okay. T30 screwdriver. Make sure that's lined up just right. And 6 Newton meters, and we have the front tire pressure monitor attached as well. Okay, well there you go. As you recall, we started off this video with the intention of replacing the batteries inside of the tire pressure monitor sensors. That turned out to be a bigger challenge than I could take on. So I installed new tire pressure monitor sensors on both the front and rear wheel. We learned them into the RT. And now I've mounted them back on the wheels, and it's time to take these wheels in to go get new rubber put on. So again, thanks for watching our videos. Remember, these videos are sponsored by Pacific Motorcycle Tours, so come check us out at pacmototours.com. Of course, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed these videos. And also, please give us a thumbs up if you like the videos. So again, happy riding, and have a great day. See you next time.